Are you having a difficult time to find serums that suit your skin and doesn't break you out? And you has come to the right place today. I'm talking about Kbeauty serums that worth your money. Before we get started, don't forget to go follow my social media where I post a lot of content. And all of this products will be on Yesstyle and Oliver Young. First serum is the Purito SEOUL Wonder Relief Centella Serum, Unscented. This product really surprised me because my skin is very sensitive and acne prone skin, and I usually don't test out a product when I am breaking out. And I also have to mention this is the new design. I like this new design very much. Is claimed that is for sensitive combination skin, and it helped to smoothen your irritated skin. To be honest, I agree what they say. The only thing I dislike about this product is smell. I don't know, is it for me, but I dislike the smell of a little bit. Now with the formulation, it's got the gel, watery textured. I kind of like it. The kind that have gel and watery textured is really good for oily skin combination. Like me in my country right now. It's very hot, so I think this is very calming. Another thing that I really like is it made with 100% Centella Asiatica extract and vegan proved cruelty-free with gentle ingredients and no synthetic fragrance for sensitive skin. And 3 skin irritation tests tested, including a dermatologist test, hypoallergenic test, and sensitive skin suitability test. Second serums is the Axis Y Artichoke Intensive Skin Barrier Ampule. With the core ingredient of artichoke, this ampule is specially formulated to repair and strengthen the skin's natural barrier and prevent skin irritation. They have upgraded their formula. Alcohol has been removed. Tea tree leaf oil has been removed and replaced with kelp extract to make the upgraded formulation unscented. And the amount of hawkweed extract has also been doubled for an increased purifying effect. If your skin it's really letting you down, like you feel like you get a lot of breakout, and this is deathly for you. It has a watery texture, really great with normal, combination, oily. For people who have skin concern like uneven texture, dryness, skin feel, lightweight. Third serum is the Dr.Althea's Vitamin C Boosting Serum. For all the people who started new in vitamin C at the beginning, I would recommend at a low like 8% like that. Because when I start using this product, when I didn't use any vitamin C before, it's kind of break me out around my nose area. Because I am combination skin, so start with something a little low. It also contains 8 types of hyaluronic acid to charge the skin with moisture without leaving any stickiness, and helps to prevent wrinkles and improve the skin's core strength. Formulated with 20% Vita Boosting Complex with 9 types of vitamins, hippophy, rhamnoids fruit extract, and 45 ppm of skin brightening ingredients that help improve dark spots and skin blemishes. But I also want you to start with this Vitamin C Ester, Althea, new vitamin C. For this one, I wouldn't give my own opinion on it because I haven't tried like the other one, but I hear a lot of you saying that it's great for sensitive skin. Next is the Skin 1004 Centella Ampule. Before I got into this one mistake that influencers say about this product, that is only have 1 ingredient. No, it doesn't. When I really look into this product, this is the full ingredient. Okay, now, the ampule has a lightweight, non-sticky texture that absorbs quickly, making it suitable for use both day and night. The serum features a high concentration of Centella Asiatica extract, which is celebrated for its ability to calm irritated skin and promote healing. This ingredient is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin, but if you're not sure, you can do a patch test. You can buy that little sample where they sell. I try to research more about this product. I cannot find a lot. I can only find that is how it's smarter irritation, like problems, skin. I also have a video about this serum too, but I also added like 4 more serum to review. Check it out in my YouTube. I will link it down below. 5 serums is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. The Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop is a standout product in the Korean skincare world, loved for its brightening and rejuvenating properties. If you guys have guesses, yes, all my favorite Korean serum. Mostly all serum, but particularly this one. The serum has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, making it perfect for combination skin types. To use, apply a few drops to cleanse and tone skin. I'm gonna talk more about this because this is my favorite. Users often report a more radiant and even-toned skin, along with a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. The serum's gentle formula makes it suitable for daily use, even for those with sensitive skin. With regular use, the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop helps to brighten the complexion, reduce dark spots, and improve overall skin tone and texture. Okay, here is the real reason why I love it. Its blend of brightening, soothing, and nourishing ingredients makes it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. Girl, the absence of harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances ensures it is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and combination skin. Tips for combination skin: 1. Patch test. Perform a patch test before full application to ensure your skin reacts well to the vitamin C. 2. Gradual introduction. Start with a few drops every other day and gradually increase to daily use as your skin builds tolerance. 3. Layering. Use the serum after cleansing and toning, and before moisturizing to enhance absorption and efficacy. So the video has come to the end, and remember, this is my favorite only if all of this serum doesn't work for you, maybes because of your skin type or skin concern, or maybe the weather. If you want to purchase all of this product, you can purchase it in Oil for Young and Yesstyle. Here is my code. So here's my question for you: out of all my favorite serum, which one is your comment down below?